I didn't get my degree in the university. I was quite brainy. I could have scored very well. But unlike Zuckerberg, who also left Harvard to pursue his dreams, I did the same.
Adwuma ben na wo ye ansa na oba be share a real estate business no ase 2 decades now about what be ska bebre this kind of thing.
So first of all, na me ye telecommunications and still business and any scrap na make no wo hwe abrochi scrap and na hwe Ghana scrabber different. What you say ho na misua se ne sia e din dade na de bebre bom a umbe for me into steel. Into some of my industrialization skills today, no misua and na indeed 20. Me who said that the ankasa no o fabricate here etimi ye no ma.
Now be fan na de ni figa.
There be and that the na wa brochi ho scraps. Now the cost scrap yard now they are boom.
It's a brochi now sisa scraps.
Yes, I had people even collecting for me as well. Na me talk until
at that young age.
Yes, I've always been a business minded person. Until nipa be breed the means some boom. So me kasa me share poultry farmers here. Na me di 8-9 years old. Na me swa. Until yes se Ghana 40 nya abotre. No mo hwe se wo hwe Bill Gates mo ne Zuckerberg ne nsem kofa o ma ye bebre wo wiase no. Omu swa pa na omu hwe bibi ase. Nti broni na ono wo hwe sakra no. Ohun se tumi bi woni mu. Ohun se nyansa bi woni mu. Nti ono a le pushi na and through the exploration no to say wa be ye the customer product for the world. Obia hunanim, obia tinidin, obia tenenoma. Na Beyonce tunum. And so ebi o share no asset to no. Who are 8 years old. Na nipa anhwe na omu nko akira nko hu se 8 years old na Beyonce sha say or pursue ni destiny. Enti Sarah me so ye de wo me 8 years 9 years old ni nyina no I was already into leadership. I believe sem konfomum ebedi machi say me di misika last na beto poki na ice cream ama omadi na omati me believe me say akwa we ni obeka na sese etie ni obeka na sese omudi na chi. That's what I do. My parents is Kwame Elizabeth J. We share Kwale residence at airport or no me mama no da dan ho no. Me mama na me papa so late SK Bediako. Now he's one of the owners of Tata Brewery, a commodity trader, an oil trader. Until I grew up with my mother. My father lived in Accra when I was 11 years old. Then I moved from Kumasi to Accra. And that was the very time I share school. I say one kind. Me live with the Accra life, Accra and Sana Mekwa Bruche for 6 years and came back.
Ukwa Bruche, what did you say?
15.
15 years. And then I do Ukwa Bruche.
Oh, it was just after O levels, and then I decided to go say I could continue college war. And I mean you are penny crana try to take it in mind. So my mom, my sisters, everybody they were thinking say I will go for 2 years. If you are me yet college kekana masan baba. I'm a call hono and I'm a trown. Yeah college we I'm a call university. Time na me college na me business. I'm a call university no. Na me additional sepa but na adwuma wo mani so. Na capital aba mani so. Na marketing aba mani so. Ti me share na university no make us me train 3 years 4 years now. Omudi ama me to acquire a bachelor's degree in business studies now. Me share numbers now. Me say let me concentrate on my business. I concentrated on business and me realize it say by the time I drew me 20s, now my dream it's about creating wealth, business, and that's what I've been doing.
Into one pursue further educational.
I didn't get my degree in the university. I was quite brainy. I could have scored very well. But unlike Zuckerberg, who also left Harvard to pursue his dreams, I did the same. I pursued my dreams. My dreams was not to acquire a degree. My dreams was to add value to society and was to become extremely successful so I can control wealth. I can control money.
But from where you've reached, the zenith that you've reached in life, academic laurels, then you can say that yes, you've accomplished academically and financially.
I would also advise people that they shouldn't be greedy to want to have everything. You see, God does not give us everything. Obi oha no ho fe pa wa yoba enso nu aduane no a. Obi won so a ebia ne ho nya fe bebre ne ho fe kakra but aduane a obenoa ama ne kunu ne family no etimi shape your whole life nti Nyankopon de on fa bibia ama he kakra na wonim so obetimi asom no a obekora na obeye ne ya fatal na suit no ɛhɔ na ɛsɛ sɛ wadwene kɔmɔ